The world is changing, and technology is at the heart of that transformation. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics are reshaping industries in ways that were once thought impossible. It is no longer just about machines performing repetitive tasks. AI is now learning, adapting, and even making decisions that affect our daily lives. Whether in customer service, healthcare, or creative industries, automation is becoming an essential part of the modern workplace. Think about the things we once relied on humans for: scheduling meetings, analyzing data, driving vehicles, and even diagnosing medical conditions. Now, AI-powered systems can do these tasks with incredible speed and accuracy. Imagine walking into a store where checkout is fully automated, receiving medical advice from an AI-driven assistant, or having a self-driving truck deliver goods to your doorstep. These scenarios are no longer science fiction. They are happening right now, shaping the way we live and work. Many fear that automation will take away jobs, but the reality is more complex. While AI and robotics can handle repetitive and data-driven tasks, they are not capable of replacing the human mind's creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Studies show that nearly half of workplace tasks can be automated, yet very few jobs, less than 5%, can be completely replaced by machines. Take the manufacturing industry, for example. Machines have taken over much of the heavy lifting, assembling products with precision and efficiency. In retail, AI tracks inventory levels and improves customer service with chatbots and self-checkout stations. In the financial sector, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to detect fraud and predict market trends in real time. Yet, automation does not mean the disappearance of human workers. It means a shift in job roles. People are now needed for higher-level decision-making, problem-solving, and ethical considerations. Jobs that require empathy, leadership, and human connection remain crucial. For example, while AI can assist in diagnosing medical conditions, doctors are still needed for patient care, emotional support, and complex treatment decisions. While AI and automation are transforming industries, governments and organizations are investing in retraining programs to help workers transition into new roles. By learning digital skills, employees can stay competitive in an evolving job market rather than being left behind by technology. Although AI is advancing rapidly, industries are adopting automation at different speeds. Technology companies, driven by innovation, are leading the charge. Fields like manufacturing and logistics have also embraced automation due to its efficiency and cost savings. However, industries like law and construction, which involve intricate human decision-making and strict regulations, are moving at a slower pace. Several factors determine how quickly automation spreads: development costs, government regulations, and public acceptance. Some workers resist automation, fearing job losses, while businesses weigh the long-term benefits against initial investments. Regardless of the speed of adoption, one thing is certain: automation is here to stay, and its presence will only grow in the coming years. AI is no longer limited to performing calculations. It now mimics human intelligence, analyzing patterns, solving problems, and even displaying creativity. Machine learning, a key component of AI, allows systems to improve over time by learning from data rather than relying on fixed instructions. The more AI interacts with the world, the smarter it becomes. This growing intelligence raises important questions. How do we balance efficiency with ethical considerations? How do we ensure that AI remains a tool for good rather than a force that disrupts society? Governments and businesses are now working on policies to regulate AI development, ensuring that it is used responsibly. Machine learning powers many of the AI-driven systems we interact with daily. It is the technology behind voice assistants, online recommendations, and fraud detection systems. Every time you receive a personalized movie suggestion or a chatbot answers your question, machine learning is at work. One of the most impressive applications of machine learning is in self-driving vehicles. These cars use sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to analyze their surroundings, detect obstacles, and make split-second decisions. The more they drive, the better they become at navigating different environments. While full automation in transportation is still developing, AI-powered driving technology is already improving safety and efficiency on the roads. Machine learning is also revolutionizing climate science. AI-powered models can analyze weather patterns, predict natural disasters, and develop solutions for mitigating climate change. As AI continues to evolve, its ability to help humanity tackle global challenges will only grow. Robots have come a long way from simple mechanical arms in factories. Today, they are used in logistics, medicine, and even customer service. In warehouses, robotic systems sort and transport packages with speed and precision. In hospitals, robotic-assisted surgery allows doctors to perform complex procedures with greater accuracy and minimal invasiveness. Despite these benefits, automation raises concerns about job displacement. As robots take on more tasks, what happens to the workers they replace? While some fear widespread unemployment, history shows that technology also creates new job opportunities. For instance, the rise of automation has increased demand for engineers, AI specialists, and maintenance professionals who design, program, and oversee these systems. Robots are even being developed for elder care, assisting the aging population with daily tasks and providing companionship. However, ethical questions arise. Can a robot truly replace human interaction and empathy? Researchers are working on ways to integrate AI into caregiving while ensuring that human relationships remain at the core of care services. Natural language processing, NLP, is what allows computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. This technology powers virtual assistants, chatbots, and real-time translation services, making communication between humans and machines more seamless than ever before. Businesses are using NLP to enhance customer service, allowing AI-driven assistants to respond to inquiries and resolve issues faster than traditional methods. AI-generated content is also becoming more common, helping writers summarize articles, analyze trends, and even create marketing materials. However, human language is complex. It involves slang, cultural differences, and emotional nuances that AI still struggles to fully grasp. While NLP has come a long way, the challenge of creating AI that can truly understand and engage in meaningful conversations remains ongoing. In addition to breaking language barriers, NLP is also being used in mental health applications. AI-driven chatbots can provide emotional support, analyze text for signs of distress, and recommend professional help when needed. While not a replacement for human therapists, these tools offer accessible support to those in need. Automation is not about replacing people, it is about redefining work. The key to thriving in this changing landscape is adaptability. Workers must focus on skills that highlight human strengths, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. Continuous learning will be essential for staying ahead in an evolving job market. For businesses, using AI responsibly will be a critical challenge. Companies must create policies that ensure automation benefits both employees and employers. Ethical AI development, transparency, and fairness will play a major role in shaping the future of automation. While some tasks will disappear, new job opportunities will emerge in fields such as AI ethics, cybersecurity, and data science. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It is about humans and machines working together to build a more efficient, innovative, and connected world. The transition to an AI-powered workplace will require a shift in education and workforce training. Schools and businesses must work together to prepare future employees for jobs that do not yet exist. Lifelong learning and adaptability will be the key to thriving in this new era of work. As technology evolves, AI and automation are reshaping industries and redefining jobs. While challenges exist, history shows that innovation drives progress. The key to the future lies in adaptability, learning, and responsible AI development. Instead of fearing automation, we must embrace it as a tool for growth and collaboration. The future of work isn't humans versus machines. It's humans and machines working together to build a smarter, more connected world.